Right, okay then, so on the centimetre grid, draw one rectangle that's got a perimeter of 20 centimetres and an area of 24. So I'm going to think about that first, the area of 24. So what we need is two numbers, so area is height times width. So we need two numbers that we times together to give us 24. So we could have 1 and 24, which I don't think it would be. We could have 2 and 12. We could have 3 and 8. And we could have 4 and 6. Right? So basically, if the width of it is 24, the height has got to be 1. So it's going to be one of those two pairings. So we want a perimeter of 20. So basically, these two numbers added together times by 2 would give us 20. So actually 4 plus 6 gives us 10, times by 2 gives us 20. So actually that tells us straight away that that's the one we want. So we're going to have, whichever way you've got it, 4 centimetres one way, and then 6 the other way. So 2, 4, 6, yeah. So there's your rectangle. That was 4 centimetres, and that was 6. So the perimeter of this kite is 24 centimetres, and the one side is 3. So work out the length of CD. So CD starts at C, ends up at D. So it's after that length there. So what we do know is if that's 3, this is also 3. So 3 plus 3 gives us 6. So if we do 24 minus 6, we're left with 18. So these two have got to add up to 18. So one of them is going to be 9.